Bonjour everyone, my name is Sarah from Fierce Bodhi Yoga and I'm currently staying at the beautiful La Belle Auberge Bed and Breakfast in Wellsboro, Pennsylvania for some well-needed self-care. And right now I'm in my third trimester of pregnancy, which is about 32 weeks. And I've been feeling super tired and crazy anxious about delivering this baby. To help me deal with this, I created this mindful self-massage suitable for all trimesters. It's designed to give your mind and body the rest and recharge it needs while also providing the opportunity to practice relaxation techniques prior to labor and delivery. And before we begin, I will be using a lotion mixed with an essential oil for the massage portion. You can use whichever suits your preference. Light a candle and find yourself in a quiet, dimly lit place with no distractions. Sit comfortably in a chair with your hands cupped one on top of the other or palms face down on the thighs to represent an internal focus. In order to benefit fully from this meditation, you want to get the mind in its rightful place. Our thoughts can at times be incessant on one spectrum, and it's impossible to stop thinking on the opposite spectrum. Therefore, you want to find a sweet spot and bring the mind to a state of equilibrium. We can achieve this by slowing the thoughts way down. Mindfully give yourself permission to concentrate on a deeper level of existence. Take this time for yourself so you can be ready for whatever you need to take care of later. Right now, shut down the eyes, focus on your breath, and imagine your thoughts drifting off into the distance on every exhale. For the next few moments of silence, continue to concentrate on your breath as the thoughts drift further and further away. Next, we will concentrate on an effective breathing technique that calms the mind, brings more oxygen to the little human inside of you, and a way to control the energy during labor and delivery. Place your palms on your belly to connect with baby. Keep the mouth closed. Constrict the back of the throat muscles and slowly draw the breath into the body. Feel the belly expand. Fill the lungs to capacity. Quick pause at the top. Hold. On the exhale, with control, slowly release the breath and send the energy down through the abdominal area. Constriction of the throat muscles allows you to control the breath and engage the muscles of the belly, which is exactly what we need for the birthing process. Let's practice that again. Palms on the belly. Deep inhale with the back throat muscles constricted. Pull the breath in as far as you can. Fill up to capacity. Quick pause. Hold. And with control, slowly release the breath and use it to send energy down through the abdominal and pelvic area. Continue to practice this technique on your own for the next minute and a half. Be sure to create an audible sound like the ocean waves or the wind. Something like this. There should be no tension in any other area of the body. If you feel congested and have a hard time breathing through the nose, pucker up your lips and draw the breath in and out of your body through the mouth. This is very important to practice the control of breath during labor and delivery. You will be in control using this technique during contractions, and you will also learn how to relax in between. I use the same technique on pretty much every one of my videos because of how useful and essential it is. If you're getting value out of this video, take some time to like and subscribe. I'd super appreciate it. And come back to stillness. Come back to your natural breath. Take a deep breath in. Open the mouth and sigh it out. Open the eyes and release the palms to the thighs. If you have your lotion or essential oil, place a small amount on the inside of your left palm, right between the index finger and the thumb. Take the thumb on your right hand and begin to apply pressure to the area by creating circles. Continue to create circles while simultaneously moving along the outer edge of your palm until back to your starting point. Once you reach the starting point, then place the right thumb in the middle of your palm. Press, apply pressure, and hold for 10 seconds. Release, press, and hold for another 10 seconds. Last time, release and hold for one more round. Next, apply more lotion and/or oil to the wrist of the same hand. Use the thumb to create small circles as you gently apply pressure, moving up and down the forearm. Be sure to keep the hand completely relaxed and limp. Once you reach the middle of the forearm, work your way back up by pressing the thumb and applying pressure in a straight line until you reach the wrist area. Continue to repeat this motion by creating circles on the way down and applying pressure on the way up to the wrist. I'll give you a few moments to complete. As you move up and down the forearm, be sure to practice the controlled breathing technique. Deep breath in and deep breaths out. Begin to release the wrist and switch hands to balance out the massage. Place a small amount of lotion or essential oil on the inside of your right palm between the index finger and the thumb. Take the thumb on your left hand and begin to apply pressure to the area by creating circles. Continue to create circles while simultaneously moving along the outer edge of your palm until back to your starting point. Once you reach the starting point, then place your left thumb in the middle of your palm. Once the thumb is in the middle of your palm, press, apply pressure, and hold for 10 seconds. Release, press and hold for another 10 seconds. Last time. Release and hold for one more round of 10 seconds. Next, apply more lotion and/or oil to the wrist of the same hand. Use the thumb to create small circles as you gently apply pressure, moving up and down the forearm. Be sure to keep the hand completely relaxed and limp as you did on the opposite side. Once you reach the middle of the forearm, work your way back up by pressing the thumb and applying pressure in a straight line until you reach the wrist area. Repeat this motion by creating circles on the way down and applying pressure on the way up to the wrist. Take a few moments to be present and repeat this movement a couple of times before moving on. Remember to breathe deeply with intention. Be present and feel relaxed. Begin to let go of this motion and make a fist with both hands and circle out the wrists, moving in one direction and then the other. Wiggle out the fingers and then release the palms to the thighs. Close the eyes, take a deep breath in, and let a deep breath out. And gently open the eyes. Apply more lotion if needed. Take your right hand and clamp your left shoulder between the neck and shoulder. Slowly bring your right ear towards your right shoulder. Begin to squeeze and release the fleshy part of the trapezius muscle in order to relax the area. Continue this motion as you breathe deeply, creating an audible oceanic sound. Gently and slowly begin to release the shoulder. Gaze forward and move to the opposite side. Take your left hand and clamp your right shoulder between the neck and shoulder. Slowly bring your left ear towards your left shoulder. Begin to squeeze and release the fleshy part of the trapezius muscle in order to work out the tension. Continue this motion on the right side as you breathe deeply at the same time. We hold so much tension in this area. It's a simple yet effective technique to loosen the muscle. Gently and slowly begin to release the shoulder and gaze forward. Release the palms to the thighs. Take a deep breath in and then a deep breath out. Next, we will move on to massage the face. Take both hands and place the thumbs on either sides of the cheekbones by the jawline. Then, place the rest of the fingers along the forehead. Apply a small amount of pressure and begin to circle the fingers on the forehead inward towards each other. Close the eyes and continue this motion on your own. Feel relaxed as you begin to release tension from the face. Slowly release and allow the palms to return to the thighs, remaining with the eyelids shut down. This time, take a deep breath in. Hold it at the top. And then exhale, fluttering out the lips. This helps to further relax the face muscles. Gently open the eyes. Take both hands and place the thumbs at the base of the skull, also known as the occiput. The rest of the fingers grasp the upper skull. Apply a bit of pressure with the thumbs and begin to create circles along the base of the skull. Continue this for the next few moments. Apply the right amount of intensity that feels good to you. Come back to stillness and keep the thumbs in place where they are. Begin to apply pressure to the sides of the skull with the rest of the fingers moving in a circular motion. And continue this movement for the next few moments. Come back to stillness and begin to alternate circling out the thumbs to massage the base of the skull, and then circle the rest of the fingers to massage the sides of the skull, which is also known as the parietal bone. The cranial muscles have sensory nerves that send signals to the brain. With massage, we create a more relaxed environment, which helps to stimulate the brain to function better. It helps to improve the whole cognitive aspect. When you are ready, release the head and return the palms to the thighs. Eyes are closed. Take a few moments to feel the effects of the massage. Notice how your body feels in relation to when you first began. Before we conclude, place the hands on the belly. Take a slow breath in. Feel the expansion. Hold. Exhale, slowly release. Repeat 2 more cycles of hands on belly breathing on your own for the next few moments. Gently release the palms to the thighs with the eyes closed. Return to a natural breath. Experience a deep sense of calm, tranquility, and peace. Pregnancy requires a lot of self-care and reflection along with preparation. So be easy on yourself during this time and come back to this meditation when you feel the need. Have a safe, wonderful pregnancy and delivery. Namaste.